Damn.
Bro, this trial has more dead bodies than the actual case itself.
Bro.
It's insane.
Crazy, bro, hey? I mean, there was the guy who killed himself in the car, remember, who shot himself, who was involved. And then there was the judge who left the case. He didn't die, though. And now there's this, like, and then there was Advocate Defo. There's always these side shows and these delays with this case. It's the weirdest thing. And with this guy, I remember he was asking to go home and take a break, and the judge was, behaving like the guy is lying and stuff. And here he is now. Poor guy has passed on.
Yeah,
but this case, man,
wasn't well for a while.
It's been going on for 10 years, ne?
Hey,
bro.
This case is strange, man.
Yeah.
Strange case, bro. Hey,
But anyway, I got
shame, rest in peace to him. Shame
Yeah.
on also Senzo's family. Like, will they ever see justice, bro?
I doubt it. I doubt it.